Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play fantasy football on Sleeper application. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, download the Sleeper application from the App Store or Google Play. Once downloaded, open the application. Now, sign up or log into your account. If you're new, you can easily create an account by following the screen instructions provided by Sleeper. Now, after logging in, you will need to join a league. You can either join a public league or start your own private league with friends. To join, click on the play icon at the top right. Now scroll down and choose NFL football. Choose the football you want to play and click on play. Now click on create a pool button and give your league a name. Then click on next. Now choose pick format and click on next. Now choose picks per week and click on create. After you do this, you would have successfully created a league for your football. Once you're in a league, the next step is the draft. In fantasy football, your goal is to draft the best team possible. On Sleeper, you will have a snake draft or auction draft format. In a snake draft, the order goes from 1 to the last pick and then reverses in the next round. For an auction draft, you will bid on players. When it's your turn, select your picks wisely to fill each position. Now that your team is drafted, it's time to manage your roster. You can add or drop players, trade, and adjust your lineup weekly. To make changes, head over to your roster page, click on the player you want to adjust, and make the necessary changes. Also, setting your lineup is the key to winning. Make sure your active players are ready to perform each week. You can set your starting roster by tapping on player's name and choosing a start or bench. So the key to winning in fantasy football is staying active. Always check your lineup, watch for injuries, and keep an eye on the waiver wire for sleepers and breakout players. So that's a quick rundown of how to play fantasy football on Sleeper. Now that you know the basics, it's time to start drafting and managing your team. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching and good luck with your fantasy football season.